Back with another storm kitchen video. It's very rainy out today in Michigan. Yeah, we're heading to am I able to say that? Where we're heading to? We're heading to my grandpa's, and am I supposed to, can I say
Yeah.
Flint? We're heading to my grandpa's in Flint, and it's very rainy there too. Yeah, you guys just look out for anything. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, when you're doing your videos, you just don't want to disclose the address or the first and last names of people other than yourself.
And my brother.
Yeah, but you don't want to give out random information to strangers.
Yeah. Grandpa's not a stranger.
No, there are people that watch your videos.
Oh.
Some of them could be strangers that don't subscribe.
Yeah. That's why I was asking if I could say that.
Well, I know.
I know.
Yes, we're going to Flint, Michigan, to Grandpa's house.
Yes, we're going to Flint, Michigan to my grandpa's house. You see those clouds over here? Oh, wow. Stormy clouds. The sky's looking terrible. Look, oh.
Old school thing.
Is that bigger than those? Something.
Nintendo 64. It's $30 for one of those games. It's quite pricey, considering the date.
The Zoom is crazy on this one, Dad. Look. I don't know what happened. Why is it so bright? Okay, guys. See that tree over there? If you look over there, in the sky is on the top, and then dark. I know it's storm clouds.
Looks like it might be getting clearer this way. Further east we go.
Huh?
So it looks like the clouds and stuff are clearing up the further east we go.
Yeah. I tell him that. I'll tell him that.
Oh,
It's starting to get more clear the more east we're going. Right?
yes.
And I'll show them the front. See? No. Here I see a little spot. They're right there. Dad, your hairy arm got in the way.
Hairy arm.
Yeah.
It's not for a man. I really don't have that hairy of arms.
Oh yeah, you do.
What do you think, Ray? Not really. Have you seen my dad's arms?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He doesn't have hair.
Like he's part Wookiee.
He doesn't have that hair.
Yes, he does.
No, he don't.
Chewbacca.
What?
He's like a Chewbacca.
Oh.
You know what Chewbacca is? The big wolf-looking thing from Star Wars.
Show me. Give me a phone. I'll look at it.
You know who Baby Yoda is, but you don't know who Chewbacca is?
Oh! Still show me, but I know who Chewbacca is.
It's Chewbacca. Right here.
Yeah, I know who he is. Alright. Guys, you see over there? We have some blue skies a little, and we have some puffy clouds back there. Making up and stuff. So, I think that might be a good sign.
Is there anything else for us to worry about?
That's a good sign because the sky's clearing up all back there and stuff. When I'm editing the video, I'll put it simple. Probably, I might. The trees are covering the house. That's good. Don't want to see there. There's a house right there. And so, raining pretty bad. Here, Dad, can I take your phone to show them the weather?
Weather.
Yeah, show them the weather on the phone. I'll just keep the phone and I'll just look at the weather and keep recording at the same time. Okay, guys. So, it looks like at 3 p.m. there's going to be, just to let you know, if you live in Michigan, at 3 p.m., 100% chance rain, 4 p.m., 90% chance rain, 5 p.m., there's going to be a 60% chance rain, and at 6 p.m., there's going to be a 40% rain, and at 9 p.m., it's going to
You done?
I'm still telling them. And it looks like over in wherever, if you get, in like Fairgrove, if you don't live there, just let y'all know. There's a lot of yellow there, and I'm looking for some white right now. There doesn't seem to be any white anywhere in my sight, but we'll look over here. Over in no, Haunton Lake has some yellow. Houghton?
H-O-U-G-H-T-O-N?
Yeah. Houghton Lake, West Branch, and Grayling. Also in Lewiston and Miles. Mio or Miles.
Mayo.
Gay.
You're right, Mayo.
Okay, and
Hours north of us.
And Gaylord, if you live anywhere where I just said, that has some, also in Calcasta. And have a lot of yellow, just a little sprinkle of yellow. Over in Grand Blanc have some yellow and a little bit of white in Grand Blanc and some white in Burton too. We also have, that's probably only where the white is. That's only where I see. In Mason there is some yellow, Leslie's, some yellow. Lakefield, there's gonna be yellow. There's some yellow, and Argentines, just a little bit of yellow. Yeah, Burden and Grand Blanc are pretty bad, and I think they're kind of close to Flint too.
No, they're about an hour and 10 minutes.
That's close. And so Flint, the white maybe soon may be traveling to Flint, or soon may be traveling.
It's blowing west to east, so it will be.
So yeah, I was right at the first time. It will be going to Flint, in like some hours or something, or some minutes. The white is blowing, west, I think. Blowing, we're good at that. It is blowing east, to Flint. And to Flint, it maybe keeps blowing east, then it'll go to Flushing.
No, it'll go to Flushing, then Flint.
And then?
Burton.
So it'll go to Flushing and Flint. Burton already has some. Wait. So also, focus on the weather outside. You see some gray clouds up there and stuff. Look over there. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Hey, the sky was pink. I know y'all see that. I know you guys see that. Okay, and then when it goes to Flint, it may be blowing down to Swartz Creek or Beecher, and then if it blows to Swartz Creek, it'll go to Lennon, or if it blows to Beecher, it'll go over to Montrose. I was gonna say that, but I thought then it'll be going to Montrose. Then it may go to Burt or Layton Corners. And then Durant. And then if it goes to Lennon, then it'll blow to Durant. Then maybe if it goes to Lennon, it might blow to. Dad! Look what street we're on. 6 7.
That's how one street we're on though. We're on 13.
It says 6 7. So we're on street 6 7. So if it blows to Lennon, it may blow to Juddville. If it goes to Juddville, it may go to Corona. And then the white may go to, Juddville. Is that Juddville? Wait till I'm done. Then Corona may blow to Middletown, and then Middletown will blow to Owasso. A little more.